thought I would do a toolbox tour here for my truck. Sorry for all the background noise. So up here we've got my work gloves, just mechanic wear. We've got my Milwaukee 1/4" impact driver, my Volt King light here, my Husky 16-piece flex head micro driver set I really don't ever use, not sure why I actually bought that. Magnetic tray up top here with drill bit socket adapters and a couple drill bits. Cobalt screwdriver bit set. Now there are some missing because they're at my work box, but there's those. Pretty decent set. Got it on a Black Friday day sale. Red scraper that don't belong on 3/8" Sonex impact sockets, metric and standard. Metric goes from 8 to 19 in deeps and shallows, and 5/16 to 3/4 in both deep and shallows, with a universal joint and a 3" extension. I really love these. Great price. Some batteries, Craftsman magnetic light, 1/4" torque wrench for inch pounds, another flashlight, a random socket, and a 3/8" speed handle. So that's it for this drawer. If you take down here, we've got a somewhat plier drawer with wire crimpers, mini plier set, just a normal set of pliers, water pump pliers, safety wire pliers, cheaply made, hate these, some crescent pliers, and a big pair of needle nose. Down here, we got some of my screwdrivers, pockets, flats and Phillips, torque, my pry bars, O-ring, seal remover, T-handle, cheap T-handle, different picks. I really like these picks the best. I like the handle. They are Textron. Pretty decent price. Love them. Held up pretty well. Again, sorry about the video here. Down here we have my sockets, which I'm getting ready to upgrade to a big magnetic, probably make 2 of them, but start out with one magnetic socket rail with all 3 drives, so that these don't fall off, because these suck and that one broke. Cheap plastic, but we got 3/8" standard and metric. There are some missing in my other box right here. Sorry about that. We got my 1/2". Most of these are metric, a couple standard. In here we got my EP Auto. Some of them are in this other box. I'm redoing this, but 1/4" and 3/8" metric and standard goes from 5/32 up to 9/16, and 4 all the way up to 13 with a few extras. Got my 1/4". Again, they're in this other box. Magnetic tray with just a couple universal joints. This should be a 5/8" spark plug socket, different adapters, things like that. Some things I'm going to use. Clutch from Northern Tools, 1/4" and 3/8" flexible ratchet. It's pretty well, decent, use it a lot. Low profile 3/8" ratchet. I love this, really gets in some tight spots and stays put when you lock it. 3/8" Icon breaker bar, 1/4" Craftsman ratchet. It's seen some heavy use. And my 1/2" Pittsburgh ratchet, which I really like, except for sometimes that seal when the lock doesn't want to lock back up. I'll fix that later. Down here we got, it's kind of a mess, but we got my 1/2" torque wrench and foot-pounds, a couple of adjustables, really cheap brand of a metric. Goes all the way to 6 to 19. Skip some. Got my 16 mil DeWalt. Use this for my truck oil drain plug. Back here we've got a oil filter wrench, some Allen's metric and standard. Stubby combination goes up to 3/4, except for I used 3/4 for something else. I had to make a custom tool. And just some, I gotta find the rest of my standards and get those in there. It's kind of a mess that's in the store. And down here is kind of a mess too. We got just a nailing frame hammer. I think this is a 1 pound, no, 1.5 pound dead blow, 8 ounce ball peen hammer. Rubber mounts seen a lot of use. Punches, chisels, general digital caliper. In here we've got just random scrapers, engine bore cleaner, bolt gauge, and tape measure. Also my headlamp that goes back in here too. And then down here we've got some things I'm going through: metric wrenches, more Allen's, wrench sockets, nut drivers, distance measure, air chuck, another pocket screwdriver, multimeter, some extra screwdrivers, some kits, ruler, a 4-way lug nut wrench, and some what's it called? Orange reflector type that I use for when I'm taking something apart, so somebody sees that something's missing. Some sealant nozzles, and down here that fell out I got my ice scraper. This is kind of just my random tray here for my so-called makeshift service truck. I got down here a funnel, some PB blaster, a charcoal filter mask. In the front I've got tire patch kit and some more air gauges, tire gauges. So this concludes the tour, and hope you like.